Hi everyone, and welcome again. Let's take an awesome template about Microsoft Excel, and here is a wedding invitation tracker, and here you can enter the invitees names, and all invitees names can you enter here, and here you can send yes, I sent invitation. No, I don't send the invitation. Check if the invitation have been sent or not. Also, you can here check the response of the invitation here. Also, you can enter the number of invitees here, so you also can check the relation. Also, you can write the guest name, address, city, state, zip code, phone, and email address. Okay, this is an awesome template for your congratulations events and for your wedding event tracker. I think this is happy template here today. So also you can enter the name of wedding date, days remaining for wedding day. Also the attending number and not attending number and outstanding. Okay, this is about the first template here. Also we have this awesome template about social media content calendar. You can enter the date and time and note and the message of Twitter and link of Twitter, and also if you want to send a message by using Facebook, this is the message. You can enter the message here and link of the Facebook group or file or Facebook page. Also you can use for Instagram also, if you want to send a message in a specific time by Instagram, and you can enter the link here and enter the message here. Also you can organize that by other platforms for social media such as LinkedIn. If you want a specific message in a specific time using a custom or selected link, you can enter the message here and link here. Okay, this is about the second template here about social media calendar. The last template today is about weekly schedule planner, and this is awesome template ready in Microsoft Excel. You can here enter the weekly objectives, and here you can enter to-do items, and you can here enter deadlines this week's. Also you will find the days of this week you want to plan, and you can enter the message and enter the objective. Have you achieved this objective or not? If you have achieved the specific objective and your objectives, please select right. Conversely, if you haven't achieved the objective, you can select cross from here and so on. And this is your week. You can select your week from here. You will find days of your week, and you can set whatever objective you want to achieve and check the status of this objective if you have achieved this objective. And you can also enter another objective anywhere in your calendar days for the week, and check the objective haven't been achieved or not using this right or this cross. Thank you. See you in the next lecture, and you will find the material attached in the video. If you have any question, please contact us. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.